I was designed to save the world. People would look to the sky and see hope. I'll take that from them first. There's only one path to peace. Their extinction.
I tried to create a suit of armor around the world.
But I created something terrible. Artificial intelligence. Call the Ultron program.
I'm sick of watching people pay for our mistakes.
Isn't why we fight so we can end the fight and go home?
Well, you amazingly failed.
Huh.
May 1st.
I hate that!
Nothing but a whiff of wind to save the world.
Clink.
We'll get through this.
I have no plans tomorrow night.
Bing.
Actually, you're wrong. Yoink.
We can tear them apart. Dish, 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 dish.
Is that the best you can do?
No.
Bing.